Need help writing better emails? Gmail's got a new tool that makes it easy to polish up your drafts in seconds. Hey tech lovers, welcome back to the channel where we keep you informed with the latest in tech updates. Today we're talking about a cool new feature in Gmail that's powered by Google's Gemini AI. This tool can now polish your email drafts to perfection. Writing emails can be tricky, especially when you're trying to get the tone just right. Whether it's for business or personal use, this new update makes it simple to refine your emails. Here's how it works. If you're a Google One AI Premium or Workspace subscriber, you'll see a Help Me Write option when composing emails. Now you can refine your drafts using options like polish, formalize, elaborate, or shorten. Just swipe across your text and the AI handles the rest. This feature saves time and helps you send polished professional emails without the hassle. Whether you're working or on the go, these tools are right at your fingertips on Android and iOS. Have you tried out the new Gemini-powered writing tools in Gmail? Let us know in the comments. If you found this update helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech news. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more updates, and we'll see you in the next video.